Need to wash your hands? Okay. Let's go get you some water, okay? So today we're working on building a silage pusher and snow pusher. It's basically made out of an old track. And it'll be mounted onto this bracket system. It's all tack welded together. We just gotta weld it solid. About 70, let's see here. It's only about 75, 80 degrees in here with about 90% humidity. I'm a tad bit of a hot mess. But everything's looking all right. I got some decent welds. Not too shabby for the farmer's wife anyways. So once we get all this welded together, we're going to tack this mat onto these bars. This will be our support system. We'll hopefully use this next weekend when we are going to do our oatlage. Got a few things to get ready for it. Anyways, I'm just going to fill up my water bottle and I'll keep working. What did you bring, Mommy? What is this?
A beer.
A beer?
Yeah.
Well, thank you.
Done.
We're welding.
I found you a door.
Well, that's good.
Found it in stock. And we don't even have to leave the farm to get it.
Oh, they're shipping it here?
No, we're going to have it today.
Oh, really? So a little backstory, Raina and I were going out and we're attempting to bring some gravel up and or sand into the yard for Phil. And ended up breaking the tractor door. Jim's working on installing the rubber portion of the track. He's putting these brackets in and drilling through. It's coming along nicely. Everything's all welded together.
Let's see if it'll cut another one. I don't have it.
A little hot.
Yeah.
Works. Yeah. that then?
High.
Perfect. So Raina and I were trying to attempt to haul some sand to fill in this morning. We didn't have much luck. My driver door ended up busting on me. And so while Jim's working on the silage and snow pusher, I've been vacuuming up glass and cleaning out the cab to get it ready. Mike is bringing us a door. We're lucky to get one today as well. He had to pick it up for us in Wadena. So that'll be nice to get that fixed today. Show you what we got going on. So I dug out all of the glass that was in this rubber gasket that goes around the door. Had to tear out all the glass that was here and here. Got the cab vacuumed out. It's looking nice in there. So I'm going to tear apart this handle now. Get the glass pulled out of there so that we can install that on the new door when it gets here. Just using the skid steer and tractor to push the track into the corners. Uncle Mike is in town.
Hey, how you doing? Great.
Oh my goodness.
The shirt is so wet.
Yep, your shirt is all wet.
No, fuck.
Oh, you want to bring Buck in there?
Okay.
I don't know if he's going to go in there with you. You can try. What do you think, Buck? A good spot? A shade where it's wet and cool? Can you dance? Show us a dance. Keep going. Shake your booty. Shake it. Can you dance? Yeah. Good job. You like to dance, don't you? Spin around. Could you spin? Woohoo! We're nearing the end. Just have a couple of plates to weld, some chain to weld. We should be good.
All right, it's pretty easy now to hold. I know it's not going to go crazy.
Okay, up. Move it all.
Guys are just putting the
I don't
finishing
want to put too much pressure.
touches and aligning the door. And then we're done for the day. Jim's working on his new rap video. No, I'll keep those up.